done with these beds. I wanted to show you how things are doing. The carrots are doing great. The Swiss chards are also doing wonderful. I'm super happy. I've just removed 2 pepper plants. The last ones, they were looking really sad. They were not going to give us any more fruit. So now I've amended this side of a bed in case you never seen how you should do it, because I get the feeling that everybody talks about get ready for the fall season, but no one's ever shows you how to amend the soil. I've added compost, organic compost, just that. And now with this rake, hand rake, I'm gonna incorporate the organic fertilizer and try to level the soil as much as possible. And should be ready. I'm gonna add in this section another set of carrots at that side, and I've sown a few different varieties of spinach that we eat a lot, so I'm gonna put it in that area.